Hi everyone, it's Brett with It's Picking Time. We are messing around with the A suspended 2. But actually it's just these two, it's just the interval here between this E, which is on the 2nd fret D string, and the A, which is on the 2nd fret G string. Many times people say if it's only 2 notes, it's not really a chord, it's more of an interval. I don't know. You decide. Most people do say, that I've heard anyway, say that you need 3 notes to make a chord. So anyway, we're still doing it. Doesn't matter what people say. We're moving through here. We're sliding the whole chord down to the 4th fret. Now that means you're not picking up. So when you do slide, let's get back into the quad view here so you can see what I'm doing. And you can see the dog in the corner. Oh yeah, that's Abacus. What's up, little buddy? Okay, so here we go. We got this to slide. Sliding back. Open. Then we do it again. And go to E minor. Okay? That's pretty okay. The slide is a little tricky if you've never done slides before. It's sort of pushing down the whole time you're moving. Okay, it is pushing down the whole time you're moving. What am I talking about? Now, it's also about controlling this right hand. If you want to look at the bottom left corner of the screen, you're not going crazy with the strum all the way down. It's really just this. If you use just your fingers, then you can pinch. And it's a little bit easier, actually. Unless you always use a pick and you're really doggone good at it. Because when you go up to the E minor, I only want those 2 notes to be hit too. The interval of the B here to the E. So we got an interval of an E to an A and a B to an E. Okay? Now, the reason why I went into the F sharp minor, this is a bar chord here, is it kind of moves in the key of E. It works well. So if you can play the F sharp minor, that's kind of another an additional thing you can do. Okay, and then I went to the full A major, and then I went to full E major, and I started hammering on this string here, the G string. Decide if you like that or not when you post your version to Facebook or whatever social media you like to use. Really control that right hand. If you have problems controlling the right hand, take the left hand out of the equation and sit there and practice this. Watching what you're doing. Do. And then do it while you're looking away. Okay? So whenever there's a problem with either strumming hand or fretting hand, we take away one of the equations. Take something away and start working on just that technique, because if that's what's keeping you from playing it correctly, then that's what you need to practice, right? That's what we're doing. And you can just move. Now see, I'm watching my strumming hand, because I know I can move from the A sus2 to the E minor without looking at my left hand. I don't want to go back and forth if I can help it. Very minute movements, very controlled movements. That's the name of the game, guys. Today we're just making controlled movements, sliding around, trying to make something sound good. Hope you enjoy it. I'll see you on the other side. Bye.